So, this place was noisy. I was surrounded by people. Some were crying. Others were showering flowers on me. The whole scene was disturbing. And then there was this man adorned in bishop's clothing. He was old, with fuzzy hair. He was standing at the altar as I was walking down the aisle. So it was a wedding. In this big church on a hill. And down the aisle, I was not walking alone. Beside me stood this beautiful lady. I remember the face. It was your face.
Are you proposing? For you to have dreamt about it, you must have been thinking about it for some time now. It's a nice dream, but you look sad.
My dreams never come true. It's in our family.
But it's okay, it's just a dream. It doesn't define your life.
You don't understand me. All the dreams I've had, the opposite has happened.
Are you implying that we are going to break up? Answer my question.
I'm not implying anything. It's the dream. This thing has been in my family since forever. You have a dream, then the opposite happens.
So, what's the... Oh. Wait, are you saying that we are going to have a funeral? Am I going to die? Unajua nini?